Hi guys, welcome to my channel NXT Creators. In this video we will be discussing few examples about probability. In our last video we have discussed what is probability, is small basics. So now we will be discussing few complicated examples and in-depth examples in it. Okay, I will be discussing any two examples. On request I will be making more examples. So now let's start our video. Now let's go. Okay, so I will be starting with a basic question in stuff first. So we have a box. Sorry for the bad sketch. So we have 6 marbles in it, 6 red marbles, and 5 blue marbles. Okay, now we need to check which color has the greatest probability of getting in. So now we need to check which color marble has more probability of getting out from this side. If we shuffle it and take it out, which has more probability? So now we will be checking it. So we have in total, so 5 6 we have 11. For blue one we have 4, so blue 4. And for red marbles we have 6, so 4 by 11 and 6 by 11. So which has the greater probability in it? Of course 6 by 11 has the greatest probability. That red marbles has the greatest probability of getting out of this, any of it. It's not sure, but it has a chance to get it. So we'll be discussing into more complicated problems. So now we have the box here, and we will be going with black marbles. 1 2 3 4 5 marbles. We have black ones, and same 5 blue marbles, and green marbles, 3 green marbles. Okay, we will be not discussing about which has the greatest probability in it. So we will be discussing about another thing. So we will be discussing now is, okay, now which sketches should I use? Okay, no. So now we have black marbles of 5 and blue marbles of 5 and green marbles of 3. So we have in total quantity we have totally have 13 marbles. So this is our total quantity. So now we will be checking each probability. If we randomly pick out one marble out of it, so we don't know, we will be picking blue, black and green and anything in the total one. So now we will be seeing, if we remove blue out of it, we will be taking total of 13. We will be having 4 by 13. So if we took out blue, so now if we took out black out of it, 13, we will be having 4, same. So after that we will be taking green by 13. We will be having 2 marbles. So this is the probability of each of the thing. If we remove we randomly pick the marble, but this is not the correct answer. We are checking if they remove this ball. So not like this. If they remove only one ball, we will be having the same probability as these have by 13 and by 13. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.